Hey guys, here's a new ZBrush tips and tricks video. This time I'll show you some special features of the Transpose tool. So let's start with a dynamesh sphere that you can select here from the light box. And I disable the perspective mode. The sphere has a resolution of 128 and I increase it a bit, let's say to about 300. After that I apply the dynamesh and here you can see that the resolution of the mesh is higher now. Then I select the move brush and change the shape of the object just to make it look a bit more interesting. Alright, that's fine, and now suppose we want to clip the object on the right and on the left. To do this, you would select the clip curve brush for example and then cut away a part on the right with X symmetry enabled. And here's the result, works nicely, but there's also another way to do this using the Transpose tool. I switch from Draw to Move, then the gizmo is activated, but I change from gizmo to Transpose. After that I drag out a line with this Transpose tool, with the left mouse button pressed, and when I hold the Shift key down and drag, I can adjust the location of the Transpose tool. Okay, now I hover over this circle here, hold the left mouse button down, and then I move the mouse to clip. And as you can see, the clipping angle is defined by the angle of the transpose line. So this is an alternative approach for clipping using transpose instead of a clipping brush. Of course, you can also combine it with masks to create interesting shapes. For example, let's paint in a mask using the mask pen here. Just a simple shape to demonstrate this. Okay, here we go, and then I go back to the move and transpose and again clip away a part of the model and the mask area remains unclipped. After that you can re-dynamesh and smooth the edges a bit. What you can also do is to use the transpose to carve into the model using an inverted mask. Again, I paint here a mask onto the mesh with the mask pen brush, but then I press Ctrl and the I key or hold the Ctrl key and click somewhere into the viewport to invert the mask. And now I switch back to the move and transpose, then click onto the model and the transpose is aligned perpendicular to the surface of the mesh. Then I clip again by dragging this circle and carve into the model. That's a nice technique for hard surface modeling that I use a lot. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked these short tips for ZBrush or other tools, and if you do, then please let me know and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, think about being my patron, this would really help a lot. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.